Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today I'm going to work on the boat a little bit. Went and got some more parts. I needed a new bilge pump and a live well pump. And then having to replace the lights, so we got those. And I got a few little LED lights, small ones for the side of the trailer. Already put this one on there, so that looks good. Just gotta wire that in. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get this stuff put in, and I'll show you guys how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, really appreciate it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, really would appreciate it. Let's get started on this stuff. Alright, we're gonna put this little LED light on this side. I'll show you. And you can see that cord there. We're going to need another little hole for that to go through. So I'm just going to drill one. Pretty nice and snug. Probably don't want to get it too tight, could break. So now we got a few tail lights to do real quick. Alright guys, I got that one on. Had to do a little drilling because it wouldn't fit. Weird little deal there. But got that one on. Now I just gotta do the other one. Alright, I got those tail lights installed there. I think I'm going to pull it out maybe to do this stuff in here. Let me show you. Gotta get down in there to do the bilge pump. Alright guys, here's the live well pump. Let's see if I can put this in. It's going to be kind of hard to see where I'm working down there, so I might just turn it back on when I get done. Alright guys, I finally finished up what I was working on. It took a while, just getting everything figured out. And I got the bilge pump and live well pump in. I don't know if you can see it down there. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Got a few more things done. We're getting closer to being there, being ready to run it. So thank you guys for watching, as always, and I'll catch you back here on my next video.